overseas employment that are responsive to the issues and concerns that have major impact on in a consultative meeting last Saturday with government taking the lead to address the challenges besetting.
Matagal na siya nasa gobyerno. So, kailangan. Kasi kung maubos mo yung 2 billion, di meron tayong policy sa pamalaan ngayon sa ahensya. Use it or lose it. So, kung maubos mo yung 2 billion sa pangangailangan tumaas.
Market intelligence, gathering and research, including coordination with
the sectors in support of the employment growth will need to enhance skills and training to develop mechanisms to facilitate hiring and placement, and to embark on more joint public and private labor market development missions, both inbound and outbound among us.
And America's space to do